So on to the second problem. This one says that we have magnesium and oxide and carbon dioxide are formed from magnesium carbonate. So it's kind of confusing because the wording gives the products first, but it very clearly says that it's formed from something, which makes this my reactants and these my two products. It's a decomposition reaction. I'm asked how many moles and mass of magnesium carbonate are needed to produce 283 grams of carbon dioxide. So I'm going to go to moles of carbon dioxide, and I'm going to go across to magnesium carbonate, and then up to mass of magnesium carbonate. I'm going to use the molar mass, the mole to mole ratio, and the molar mass. So very similar, except instead of going from reactant to reactant, I'm going to go from product to reactant this time, but my three steps are still the same. So I'm going to start with my 283 grams of carbon dioxide. I need to make sure my equation is balanced, and it is, which is really nice. And I'm going to first use the molar mass of carbon dioxide, which is 44 grams of CO2 for every 1 mole of CO2. Now I'm going to go from mole to mole ratio. In this case, it's 1 to 1. But I'm going to go ahead and write in the 1 to 1 because I just want to get in the habit of making sure I'm not leaving out a mole to mole ratio, because that will make a big difference in some of my problems. The grams and moles of carbon dioxide will cancel out, leaving me with my first answer, which is moles of magnesium carbonate, which is 6.43 moles because I need 3 sig figs in my final answer. So the next thing is to convert this to grams. So the molar mass of magnesium carbonate is going to be 84.321, and that's going to give me 542 grams of magnesium carbonate. 3 sig figs, and final answer.